This is your Entina Starter Essentials Kit 3D printer that comes with everything you need, so it's great for kids or beginners. You're getting 4 stools of filament, plus this is on a crazy flash sale for a limited time only. If you guys do have any coupons, make sure you guys are using them because they're there for a limited time only. You're getting that fast and free shipping, and this is going for a great deal. It has an app that you can download. It takes about 10 minutes to set up. You have over 1,500 different prints, and this is a great way for beginners or for kids. If you guys want to check this out, I have it linked on the bottom left.